Hello everyone, welcome to Heal Yourself rather than see a doctor. 大家好，欢迎来到看医生不如看自己。Chapter 19, the root cause of the high cholesterol and corresponding treatment. 第19章，高胆固醇的根本原因及对应的治疗方案。Lecture 3, what is the root cause of high cholesterol? 讲座3，胆固醇高的根本原因是什么？In fact, more than 2/3 of the cholesterol required by the body is synthesized by the liver itself, and only nearly 1/3 of the cholesterol is obtained from food. 其实，身体每天所需的胆固醇有2/3以上由肝脏自己合成，只有近1/3的胆固醇由食物中来获取。This concept is very important, okay? It's after researching and be proved. One more time. In fact, more than 2/3 of the cholesterol requested, okay, by the body is synthesized by the liver itself, and only nearly 1/3 of the cholesterol is obtained from the food. 其实我们身体每天所需的胆固醇，只有2/3呢是由肝脏就是2/3以上都是由肝脏自己合成的，只有近1/3的胆固醇是由食物中来获取。This is a protective measure of our body. 这是我们身体的一种保护措施。Because cholesterol is so important to us. The body worries about not getting enough cholesterol from food. 因为胆固醇对我们太重要了，身体担心不能从食物中获取足够的胆固醇。The less cholesterol in food, the more active the liver is to synthesize cholesterol. 食物中的胆固醇含量越少，肝合成胆固醇的功能就越活跃。The reasons for high cholesterol can be seen from the behaving results of some people in life. 从生活中的一些人的表现结果就可以看出胆固醇高的原因。In daily life, some people do not eat this or that because they are afraid of high cholesterol. As a result, their cholesterol is higher than anyone else. 生活中，一些人不吃这不吃那，怕胆固醇高，结果他的胆固醇比谁都高。Some people do not like to eat meat, eggs, milk, and other foods with high cholesterol, and only eat some vegetarian food, making themselves very slim, but their cholesterol is extremely high. 一些人不爱吃肉、蛋、奶等这些胆固醇高的食物，只吃一些素食，把自己搞得很瘦很瘦，但胆固醇却奇高。These people are the most innocent. They don't eat foods with high cholesterol. How can cholesterol be extremely high? 这些人最冤，又没吃胆固醇高的食物，胆固醇怎么就莫名其妙的高了呢？ The reason is simple. Long-term chronic protein deficiency can lead to severe impairment of the liver function. 原因很简单，长期慢性蛋白质缺乏会导致肝脏的功能严重受损。On the one hand, the low content of cholesterol in food causes the liver's own ability to synthesize cholesterol to be in a strong state for a long time. 一方面，食物中的这个胆固醇含量少，导致肝脏自身合成胆固醇的能力长期处于旺盛状态。On the other hand, due to the long-term lack of nutrition, long-term lack of nutrients, especially protein. The excretion of cholesterol is unfavorable, causing a large amount of cholesterol to accumulate in the body, resulting in elevated blood cholesterol. 另一方面，由于营养素长期缺乏，尤其是以蛋白质为主的多种营养素的长期缺乏，导致胆固醇排泄不利，使得大量的胆固醇在体内囤积，导致血中胆固醇升高。That's all for this lecture. So see you in next one.